Okay, today we're going to be talking about a matrix. Okay, so let's talk about what the definition of a matrix is an arrangement of data in columns and rows. Okay, for example, you have John and Pam. They both work at Baker's and McDonald's. So if I want to put in their hours, I could say John works 5 hours at Baker's and 12 hours at McDonald's per week. I could also put in Pam's information, say Pam works 7 hours at Baker's and only 10 hours at McDonald's per week. This is now a matrix, so it's just a different way to represent data. So today we're going to be learning about how to actually work with our data. So here are two matrices and they want us to add them. So what we do is, first of all, we can make our matrix. Okay, and we just take each one, so the 1 and the 3 are in the same spots, and we add them. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Then you can do your -3 plus a -1, which is -4. Then you can do your 2 plus -4 is -2. And then you have your 4 plus 0 is 4. So the answer is that new matrix. Let's try another one. Now this one is trying to subtract the matrix. So same thing. You just find the pieces of data that are in the same spots and you do whatever type of math they want you to do. Okay, so if you look at this one, we're subtracting. So if we make our matrix down here, we have our -6 minus the 4. -6 minus 4 is -10. And then you have your 0 minus -2. Now here you got to remember, minus a negative means positive. So this is really 0 plus 2, which is 2. Okay, and then you have your 2 minus a -3. Again, minus a negative becomes positive. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And then you have your -1 minus 5, which is -6, and that's your answer. Now if you want to multiply the matrix, what you do is you just multiply the 5 times every number or every piece of data in the matrix. So your new answer would be 5 times the 6, which is 30, 5 times the 3, which is 15, 5 times the -2, which is -10, and then 5 times the 4, which is 20. And that is your new matrix. Okay, and then you just kind of put it together. So this is multiplying along with adding. So the first thing you have to do is multiplying, because remember order of operations. So then if I multiply this first matrix right here, I'm going to multiply every single number by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times -2 is -4. 2 times -7 is -14. And then we're going to take that new matrix and we're going to add the other matrix, -1, 4, 0, and -8. Again, we only add, subtract, or multiply. We only add the pieces of data that are in the same spots. So 6 plus -1 is 5. 12 plus 4 is 16. -4 plus 0 is -4, and -14 plus a -8 is -22, and then you're done.